Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we can understand details of how Intel Advisor and VTune Profiler can be used for your projects. What all contributions they can bring on table for you will be discussed in this, and we will also understand the differences between these two, and it's going to be a very interesting session. I have already spoken about installation of Intel VTune Profiler and Intel Advisor in some other session in the playlist. I request you to look into it if you have not done that already. Let's get into VTune Profiler first. What is it? It is a performance profiling tool which is developed by Intel. It is designed to support the software developers optimize the performance of the applications that they are developing by providing detailed insights which include the CPU related, the memory related, and IO related. VTune Profiler can be used for varieties of applications. It can include desktop server applications, embedded systems, HPC, and whatnot. It also supports various programming languages and it includes C, C++, Python, Fortran, and Java. VTune Profiler allows the developers to analyze the code's performance characteristics. It also helps in identifying the performance bottlenecks and most importantly, optimize the critical sections of the code. It provides you great set of features which can help you with CPU sampling, memory analysis, threading analysis. The input to VTune Profiler is a simple executable file and with which the VTune Profiler will get you the complete plethora of information that you are looking at. VTune Profiler also integrates with many popular IDEs that are available such as the Microsoft Visual Studio and Eclipse. You can use any one of those and it's going to be very easy for you and the usage is very simple. There are command line options available as well with which you can use the VTune Profiler and you can explore the options. What all can be done with VTune Profiler? First one, performance analysis. VTune Profiler allows you to collect and analyze the performance data which can help you in identifying the bottlenecks and performance issues that develops in your application. It provides beautiful insights about the CPU usage, memory usage, IO operations, and other system level metrics. The second is hotspot analysis. You can identify hotspots in your code, which are the sections of the code which is consuming the most of the CPU time is referred as the hotspot. VTune Profiler helps you understand which functions or methods or which piece of the code is consuming the most amount of time and it provides detailed report on that. Threading analysis can also be done with VTune Profiler. If your application is using threading or parallelism, VTune Profiler can definitely assist you analyze the behavior and the efficiency of the threads. That's going to help you in also understanding the thread synchronization, the thread wait times, and load balancing. VTune Profiler helps you with memory analysis. VTune Profiler allows you to analyze the memory usage and it helps you in identifying the memory related challenges which can include memory leaks, excessive memory allocations, and inefficient access patterns. It also can give you deeper insights into the heap and stack memory usage. Hardware event based sampling can also be done with VTune Profiler. It can help you collect data on the events which are like CPU cycles, the cache misses, the mispredictions, the branch mispredictions. All those can be done with VTune Profiler. Not just with this, it provides you more features. Platform profiling is the next thing. It supports a variety of platforms. As I already indicated you, it supports desktops, servers, embedded systems, HPC clusters, and more. And performance tuning is another option that VTune provides you with. With the insights that VTune provides you, you can make informed decisions about performed optimization. It can help you identify the performance bottlenecks. It can also help you in analyzing and understanding where we can optimize, which sections of the codes we can optimize, how do we tune the algorithms for improved efficiency. All this can come in parallel. And integration with the development environment is another option that VTune Profiler brings you on the table. It helps you integrate it with Microsoft Visual Studio, Eclipse, and these are all already well known to you, so you will not find it difficult at all. Well, having conveyed what all the things that VTune Profiler can do, it's very important to understand what not it can do. Source code debugging cannot be done with VTune Profiler. It is generally focused on performance analysis and optimization rather than debugging. It is not a traditional debugging tool. It is a tool which is going to help you with the performance analysis and optimization. Memory debugging cannot be done with VTune Profiler. VTune Profiler offers you memory analysis capabilities to identify the memory related issues, but it is not a dedicated memory debugging tool. It is not a one that you can use for in-depth memory debugging, right? So you may have to use Intel Inspector or other memory tools which are available. Code coverage. VTune Profiler does not provide direct support for measuring code coverage. That is, how much of code is exercised during the execution cannot be analyzed directly through the VTune Profiler. Code coverage tools are available for that, and you can choose them over VTune Profiler in case that's your target. Profiling the non-x86 architectures may not be possible with VTune Profiler. It is primarily designed for profiling applications which runs on Intel x86 architecture. Profiling kernel level code. VTune Profiler is typically used for profiling user level applications, and it does not provide direct support for profiling kernel level code. This is one thing that you have to understand very importantly. And VTune Profiler also does not offer capacities for profiling network related performance or analyzing network traffic. It is not a tool meant for that. Now, it's important to note that VTune Profiler may not support certain direct tasks, but nevertheless, it is always worthy to gain the insights, and that can help you in improving the performance overall and optimize the system's efficiency. It can get you details on the CPU usage, the memory usage, IO behavior. All this can certainly help you in understanding how your system behaves, and you can improve the system by a huge volume. Let's get into Intel Advisor. What is Intel Advisor? Intel Advisor is a tool which is again developed by Intel, and that helps developers optimize their code for parallelism and vectorization. I repeat, this helps in enhancing the parallelism and vectorization aspects for the code. It provides very good insights and recommendations to assist in identifying and resolving the performance bottlenecks. So it helps you with that. It also assists, it gives you recommendations. All those things can be done with Intel Advisor. What all can be done with Advisor? Threading analysis. It helps you analyze the complete threads, and it provides you clear guidance on thread synchronization, load balancing, and scalability analysis. Vectorization analysis is another thing that can be done with Advisor. It analyzes the vectorization potential of your code, and it helps you also with insights, the detailed insights with which you can understand where you can improve. It identifies the loops that can benefit from the vectorization and provides appropriate recommendation to improve the vectorization efficiency. And memory access analysis is the next thing that is provided by Intel Advisor. This tool definitely helps you identify the memory access patterns that can lead to performance issues, which can be like cache misses or fault sharing. So this tool also offers you deeper insights on the data dependencies, the cache utilization, memory access optimization techniques, and more. You try it out, you'll be definitely able to understand the differences. Roofline analysis is also provided as a very important feature by the Intel Advisor. Intel Advisor includes this roofline model that helps you visualize the performance characteristics and bottlenecks of the code that you are analyzing. And workflow integration is next thing that can be done with Intel Advisor. It integrates with the popular development environments such as the Microsoft Visual Studio and the Intel OneAPI command line interface. So it is going to be easy for the developers, and it enables you to go ahead with seamless integration into the development workflow, making it very easy for the developer to go ahead, analyze and optimize the code, and that's going to be simple. Well, what is the difference between the Advisor and the VTune Profiler? They too are two different tools. They are providing you performance profiling inputs, and they are developed by Intel. But there are different purposes and distinct set of features which are provided for both of them. Intel Advisor mainly focuses on optimizing code for parallelism, vectorization, and memory access. But Intel VTune Profiler on the other side gives you a broader perspective of overall application performance, which include CPU, memory, IO, and platform specific profiling. Both tools are very valuable for performance optimization, but they cover different areas of emphasis. I hope it was very interesting, and in case you have any questions, go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. Thank you.